is good. My Lord 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 is good. He's good for me. Okay, today we are taking a look at chromatic scale, just playing over the chromatic scale, because we cannot play guitar sometimes without chromatic scale in terms of solo playing. You have to know and understand. Sometimes we play major scale, minor scale, blues scale, melodic minor, harmonic minor, all those scales, modes, that is Dorian, Iorian, Ukrainian, and a whole lot of scales. But we have to understand that we have another scale called chromatic scale. That is the mother of all scales, because we pick up the scales, other scales from the chromatic scale. Because when we say chromatic, it means playing succession without leaving any note aside. All notes are welcome. When I say chromatic, it is do, di, re, mo, mi, fa, fi, so, zi, to, ti, do, ti, to, le, so, zi, fi, fa, mo, mi, re, do. All the scale. So when I say all the notes or all the scale, let me go to the board so that it will make the lesson very easy and interesting. You can create your own chromatic scale, because you hear them from George Benson, George Darkon, B.B. King, other players, Joe Satriani, a whole lot of players. You hear the chromatic scale from them. Joe Pass, Alfred Banama, almost all the guitarists I know, you cannot do away. And you normally hear those sounds, scales in the different songs, but maybe we don't know that these are the chromatic scale we are talking about, because sometimes it requires a lot of speed works and other stuff. So let's go straight to the guitar board and look at what the chromatic scale is. We have to first understand the chromatic scale itself before we go to its application. So let's go to the guitar board and look at the chromatic scale I'm talking about. So when we say chromatic, let's use F. This is F, key F. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That's the major scale. So when we say chromatic, we can play from so here, or the mi here, or here, so top, or mi down here, because we have the 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers across the fretboard. So when we have this E, so it has identified that we are playing from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4 positions here. So we can play like this. These are the type of chromatic scale I'm talking about. So that is, we have F here. So when we move to F here, we have this F here. That is do, re. That is, we have the F in the C shape. Here we are at C shape of playing the F. That in the cage system. Here we have F here in the A shape. This is A shape of playing F. So if you are new to this topic, please go back to the cage system and learn the positions. So we have this one here. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So it means we have the 4 positions here. That is, this is, we have do here. Mi, so. So we have the 4. So we can. See that have it called this way. When we come here, this is the G shape of playing F. Here too we have from here to here. So rehearse more on. So sometimes that is how we use the chromatic scale. So when we come here, we have F here. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So we see we have the 4 positions here. And we can choose sometimes to play with only 3 positions like. You see, you hear some of this type of licks from George Benson. Even I myself do normally play some types of this. Because you have do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So here I will not go here before. Why? The reason is that I play across where we have the sofas. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So I add or. La, so instead of ti. Di, re, di, do, la, zi, so. You see, I'm playing over the do, the whole scale here. That is. It's nothing different, but the whole thing is that my Lord is good, my Lord is good. So we move to so. You see, my Lord is good, my Lord is good. We move to so. we move to so. Oh. So that is the chromatic playing. So you can set it even 2, 3 notes. So it's not anything showing off, no. That I want you to understand. So my Lord is good, 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 my God is good, He is good for me. So my Lord is good, 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 He is good for me. You see, so keep the song in your memory, because if you forget singing the song, you will get lost across the way. So my Lord is good, 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 He is good for me. So that is the solo playing of using chromatics. So when we say chromatics, these are the process we can use to play the chromatics. Because we have the D shape here. So we see we have the 4. We have the Do. So we capture the 4 frets, but we can use only 3 positions. So when we say chromatics, is understand the song that we are playing, or sometimes we will not use the whole chromatics for solo, but we use it in some parts, so you can call out the song. You see. So when we say chromatics, please try your hands on them. It's not anything that is too difficult. So it's how you understand the song. My Lord is good. So you can play in the melody. You see? My Lord is good. My Lord is good. So I'll rest my case here. This is just an introduction to chromatic scale. So whenever there is a solo, we will do solo work, and the chromatic scale will come in the part of the or the solo. We'll just stop and go back, treat the chromatic scale in the song. That is the application. So we learn just from other players. I always mention George Benson name. He's one of the best players of our time. West Montgomery, he too is one of the best. Joe Pass, you hear all such licks from them. So learn more from George Daku too. Chief Osida Osadibe, his songs. There are a whole lot of songs. Chief Oliver De Kock, Oliver Mutu Kizu, his songs. There are a whole lot of songs. Daughters of Glorious Jesus, Venice of Fair, Tego Sisters, Alfred Bannerman, Guitar West on Samulusu songs, Western Diamonds. There are a whole lot of songs outside there that deals with guitar solo. So please don't be lazy or feel somehow to learn. Just contact their songs. Contact them through their songs and learn. There are a whole lot of licks outside. BB King's whole stuff. So learn from me so that whenever I mention anything, it will not be anything difficult for you to play, because you've done a whole lot on scales, chord, progression, other stuff. So you are all welcome. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet soon for other lessons as well. Thank you.